Well, welcome back, friends and family. If you're new, you're so welcome and appreciated. Well, guys, I have my Christmas tablescape, and guys, I shopped my own home except for two items. And those items are these really pretty champagne colored pomegranate picks from Kirkland's and some pillows that I picked up from Home Goods. And so guys, we're going to get started. So I have these really pretty foxtails from Pier One that are gorgeous. That's the inspiration for this. And I paired those with these pretty pomegranate picks from Kirkland's. They are gorgeous. And guys, I love that champagne colored look with that frosty look on it. And the vase that it's in is a DIY. And I will add all of that to my centerpiece, and we'll get into that in a minute. But guys, this vase I created with crushed glass and glitter. And it came out so pretty, so I really love the way it looks, and it looks like ice, and that's what I was going for. So right below that is a centerpiece that I picked up last year, and this is from Home Goods, and it has the same pretty champagne color that the picks from Kirkland had, with pine cones and little apples and berries. It's just gorgeous. And guys, that's what I'm going for this year, just an iced out glam look with peacock blue jewel tones and touches of champagne, silver, and gold. And it's just so inviting. I love it. And to that, I just made sure that not only did it match the pomegranate with that champagne color, but I wanted to bring in other touches of golds and silver. So I love the way it looks. I also went ahead and added some luminaires to it instead of real candles. It's just so much easier with the luminaires, and they're so pretty. In front of that, I also added from Home Goods a peace sign, and this is done with sequins and beading, and it also has gold because the other centerpiece had a wood base to it, and it basically reflects every color that it comes in contact with. And I just find it so pretty, and we all need some peace in this year. I also did a trio of cone trees. These are made from, believe it or not, the same materials as the vase, which is the crushed glass and sequins. And I did 3 of these. The only difference is I added a little bit of mirrored glass on it that I had left over from a previous project, and they came out beautiful. It looks like sort of like snow and ice, and this is the other one. So gorgeous. I paired those with another DIY tree in the back that's feathers, and then these that I got from Michael's on clearance last year, and they just work so well with the trio of trees. My tablecloth is a linen tablecloth that's a neutral tone, and it's the same color as my furniture, which is just a linen tufted settee and some high back chairs, which I love. My runner is the same pretty jewel toned peacock blue, and it has a beautiful beading on it, which is all is calm, all is bright, and the same gold and silver tones that reflect champagne. And to tie it all together to make it look very festive, I did put in the center on top of basically the runner, and it's centering the centerpiece is a faux fur rug, which is beautiful. My stemware, I picked these flutes from Pier One years ago, and I love them. And I only pull them out every once in a while because I only have 4, but they're so gorgeous, and the long stem is just so beautiful. And as you can see, it looks like it almost has ice on it, but it matches perfectly. I love these. My flatware is actually from Amazon, and guys, I was gonna get these from West Elm, but I love the matte gold with the tapered look, and I found them on Amazon for a steal. Now my actual charger is from Pier One, and guys, I love it. It's gold and silver mosaic, but when you put those two colors together, it reads champagne. But I just want to give you a close-up and show you the details on how beautiful it really is. I love these chargers, and they work so well with my Tablescape this year. My napkins I got from Pier One years ago. So many items from Pier One. I love them. And my napkin rings, they're like a silver bead also. See how everything ties together with the beadwork? And I got that from Amazon. But what I can do is leave all the items I got from Amazon in the description bar below, along with all of the DIYs I did. Speaking of DIYs, these plates are DIYs. Now, I can't take the credit for these. I got this idea from Andrea Mason from the Queen's Court, but I will leave the description bar below the link to the video where she's showing you how to make these, and also her channel link. They're absolutely gorgeous and I love them. Very easy to do, believe it or not, with Dollar Tree plates. Now, these are DIY also. These are placemats. I can leave the link for this if you're interested in making some of these in whatever color you choose in the description bar below for that video. But this is so pretty. I just love this tablescape this year. So I also have these pretty pillows with the beading that I got from Home Goods. Woo, they are so gorgeous and they match so well. And above that is another DIY, which is a Z Gallery dupe. And guys, I love it. I have done several of these. I can leave the link for this DIY in the description bar below if you're interested in making this. I did this with paint and crushed glass and epoxy, so that's why it looks so pretty and chunky. It looks like the cosmos is so gorgeous. Absolutely love those. So I love the way this turned out this year. I'm gonna have so much fun entertaining. And guys, I hope you all have a safe, peaceful, restful holiday and a Merry Christmas and a Hanukkah and a Kwanzaa. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell twice for notifications, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching.